This is an example of my IoT project. This is how it would look like. It is supposed to declare like this is the security camera, which would be at the front of the door. This is like a house, and this is the door itself. Currently it's locked. This is my sensor. The purpose of this tape is to sonar it straight forward instead of like wide, and this is the keypad used to type in the password. Now let's check in this. Now let's look in the circuits. This is the circuits. This LED functions by when the sensor senses a change in the environment, this would sense up, the LED would light up. And this is the wires that I put to make the sensor work. And this relay module right here, this relay module is connected to this battery that is powering this solenoid, and this solenoid is keeping the door shut. To unlock this, I would have to put the right password. Let me give you a demonstration of how this thing should work. Okay, example, I'm a person approaching to my friend's house who has this simple lock security system. Simple locks. Okay, anyways, I go up in front, and when the sensor senses that someone's in front, the LED will light up, as you can see there, and this runs my website, my code. And let me just click on this real quick. Sorry. Once I click the link here, it will make this current website running, and this camera runs. So for example, I'm the user and I've got a notification that there is someone currently outside. As you can see here, from the user, I can look at this website here and see from the front camera, from the safety of my own home, to say who's opposite my door. And in my website also, just for the user's sake, I've implemented a password input storage, like all the passwords that have been used in this, that have been typed onto this keypad, it will be stored inside here, and will show the timestamp of what time did the person input that keyboard, that password itself. Currently I'm storing all of this into phpMyAdmin into store password use. This is the table, and inside here there are 3 items that are being stored: the ID, the password, and timestamp of what time did the user tried to key in the password. Okay, let's get back to here. This is where the magic happens. Okay, let me put in my Raspberry. This will show the password that I've been. Now going back to the website, let me open my command screen, and let me type in my password real quick. To open the door would be and confirm. As you can see, it's this one. That's my password actually. And if you hear there is something going on inside, let me show you what's going on once I put. Okay, this is what goes on when I put the correct password. My relay module would turn on, and then this thing would unlock. Okay, let me do it one more time. Type it. See, and this means my solenoid is unlocked, and then it has an auto lock system. Now to show how does my solenoid work. 1 1 1 1, and it unlocks. So this thing should be unlocked, and the door can be opened like that. And after the person has entered, close the door, and then it would have, and this would have an auto lock system. For my project, I'm using a PIR sensor as one sensor, my keypad here is another sensor, 2. And another sensor is my right here, my camera, which is an advanced sensor that I'm using. 3 sensors in total. And for my actuators, which is my LED, my relay module, and my solenoid. So 3 actuators and 3 sensors that are being used in my assignment.